comments. This is the comment.
Behind the
No, this is
Lucky's
behind the Lucky's. Summer Creek?
Summer Creek?
Summer Creek.
Summer Creek. Okay, we have a number of speakers here tonight that are going to tell us the same problem. When we've had this problem in the past, maybe Mr. Montgomery or could help explain.
Sure.
Derek, could you possibly explain where they can go to, because we're not the board that can help you. There's absolutely nothing we can do as a city council to affect the ranges charged, because it's a federal government program that manages your rent and not the city. And Mr. Monk, excuse me, we have an opportunity to speak right now. It is my opportunity to speak, and Mr. Montgomery and staff will explain who you need to reach out to. The city cannot, I mean, we can send letters of support for you, but we cannot affect the rate changes at all. We have to, no, excuse me one more time. I am speaking. You will have an opportunity when your name is spoken. Do not interrupt me, please. Thank you. So if we could have staff go through maybe and perhaps tell you who to reach out to. Because I know we've understand. We've gone through this with not only this development, but there's a number of other properties in Oakley that are suffering the same problems and the same issues that we don't have any control over. So, Mr. Montgomery, could you, the staff, could you maybe explain who to reach out to and